Hi, welcome to week 2. So this week we will be diving into communication and talking about what communication is, how it works, and how it affects the ways that you think about yourself. So to begin with, make sure you watch this video, the week 2 introduction. Then you'll want to move on to your first task, which is creating a model of communication. So in order to do that, you'll want to read your textbook. The reading for the whole quarter is listed here. This week you need to read chapter 1 and chapter 2. Then you will want to take the quiz that is related to this content. Again, you will be able to take the quiz as many times as you like, and the highest score will remain. Then I'd like you to move on to doing an activity that asks you to actually replicate a communication event. So this can take some time, particularly because I'm asking you to use something called Prezi. Prezi is a presentation software. It's very straightforward to use once you get in there and kind of doink around with it. If Prezi isn't working for you and you'd rather use PowerPoint or some other form of presentation software, that's fine with me. So basically what I'm going to ask you to do is to model communication in a graphic way. So you can take a look at my example here. This is a replication of a communication instance. And so you will be doing the same for yourself. So you can peruse that in detail as you wish. Also, make sure to take a look at this rubric. This is how I'll be grading you. When you're ready to submit the assignment, you can hit Submit Assignment and enter the URL for the Prezi here. If you have questions about this as you go, I'm happy to answer them. I know it's a big jump for you because you have to take the reading and then think about it and apply it in a really concrete way. So if you're struggling with that process, that's what I'm here for. So make sure you ask me. So the next task I will be asking you to do is to reflect on how communication impacts your own sense of self. So in order to do this, you will again read the textbook, and then you will take the quiz related to chapter 2. Again, you can take that quiz as many times as you like. From there, I have an article that I'd like you to read, and this is about selfies, or you know, the pictures you take yourself with your phone. So there's a link here to read that article. In addition, there is a video I'd like you to watch, and this is from an ad campaign by Dove Soap. So watch that video here. I think it loads within. Yep. Then I'd like you to head to the discussion board. And on the discussion board, I would like for you to add a photo. So if you're not sure how to do that, there's information about how to do that here. Then on the discussion board, you'll want to answer the questions using the PI method. Make sure that you make those posts by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. And make sure you make your replies to your classmates by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. The last thing I'd like you to do this week is to review your peers' welcome videos. So if you're unsure how to do that, or if you haven't done it before, there's peer review help here from Canvas. And then this assignment directs you to the peer review in the welcome video assignment. Your peer reviews will show up over here once they've been submitted. So if you have questions about how to do that, or if you're struggling to do that, please ask me. If you have any other questions about the week, let me know. That's what I'm here for. So I hope you have a great week, and take care.